Action! Here we go. Press and hump molds. At the end of 3 weeks, hopefully, we'll have things looking like this. I'm going to send you videos each week on the next process, just to kind of help you along. And we'll see how this goes. We can have lots of contact by phone and stuff like that. But just remember, art making is a process and everything takes time. We don't always get it right the first time. So this is a bit different doing it this way, but I'm sure we'll muddle through like we do when we're face to face. So let's see how we go. So you need a few things like a board to work on. And you can see how I've marked this board out and I've gridded it as if I'm going to have my plate upside down. So that was the template I just made out of cardboard, 16 by 16 centimeters. And then I've got the base, which is a bit smaller, I think it's 10 by 10. And I'll sit that on top of the clay once I start to make my prototype. So to make the prototype, you just got to thump some clay out, thump it out, flatten it out, and put it onto your board like that. Make sure it's got good contact. And then with your sticks, put them around like that. Put something at the back to kind of just hold it there. And then we're going to just cut the height. So cut through with a cutting wire like that. Hold your breath like I did. And then you end up with a level thickness of the slab you want. And then with a knife and a ruler, you line it up on those lines that you made. And then you're going to cut around all 4 sides. And of course I'm going to be doing this really quickly, so I reckon you should take your time and do a nice job. I'll get this eventually kind of cleaned up, so it should be fine. And then once I've done all 4 sides, I'm going to then bevel the edges so that I've got roughly, put your base plate on there so you can see it. Just trust your eye and kind of line it up so that it's square on your plate. Put your ruler there, and then you're going to get your knife, and it's going to look a bit rough and at the moment, but you're going to cut through there. I'll add some clay back in there, see if I can do this one a little bit better. Line it up properly. Oh, that's even worse.